In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropbox to Trello and attach files to cards. We'll start in Dropbox to grab a shareable link to your file or folder, then move into Trello to add that link to a card in the way that works best for your workflow. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Dropbox. If you keep a bookmark or shortcut, use that. Otherwise, type the address into the bar and press Enter. Once Dropbox loads, sign in with your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your Files page. Next, navigate to the file or folder you want to share in Trello. Hover over it, click Share, and in the sharing window, choose to create a link if one doesn't exist yet. Then click Copy Link. A quick tip here. Make sure the link's permissions are set the way you want. Typically, anyone with the link can view, so your teammates can open it without needing special access. The copied link is now on your clipboard and ready to use. Open a new browser tab and search for Trello, or type the address directly. Click the official Trello result and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the board where you want to add the Dropbox item. Pick the list that makes sense for this task or file, and click Add a Card. You have two options for using the Dropbox link. First, you can paste the link directly into the card title field and press Enter. Trello will detect it and create a link card, which shows the Dropbox thumbnail and title right on the board for quick visual scanning. If you go this route and want to adjust how it reads, select the card and click the edit icon to rename it, something like a clear task name, while still keeping the link functionality. Alternatively, you can create a regular card with a descriptive title, open it, and paste the Dropbox link inside the card's description. This keeps the board's titles concise while placing the link where details live. If you started with a link card but prefer a standard card, open the card menu and choose Convert to Regular Card. The URL will remain available in the card content, so it's still easy to access. If you like the visual preview and quick access, keep it as a link card. If you want a traditional card with more space for notes, due dates, and checklists up front, convert it to a regular card or keep the link in the description. And that's it. Your Dropbox file is now connected to Trello, ready for you and your team to use.